Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I am out in my landscape today. And here in front of us we have the Limelight Hydrangea. Limelight Hydrangea gets to be about 8 foot tall and about 8 foot wide. It's got these beautiful large blooms on it. It's end of July right now, and I would say this has been blooming for a couple weeks. So the bloom time, I would say, here in Michigan is from mid-July through, let's say, the end of August or so, when it will start to turn kind of a blush, dusty rose color. I just love the beautiful large blooms. I personally like to leave them on in the winter time because I think it's really pretty how here in Michigan the snow collects on them. For some of you, you might not like that dead flower look and choose to trim them off, which is perfectly fine. The Limelight Hydrangea blooms off of the new growth, so it can be trimmed in the fall or in the spring before the buds start to set. I mean, really you can trim it at any time, but if you've got buds, I probably wouldn't recommend trimming them at that point. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and today I have for you the Limelight Hydrangea.